Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome back again to this tutorial and welcome to No Max TV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your logo for free by using Canva for free account. So if you do not subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, subscribe today. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. What I'm going to do, first of all, I want to be coming here at the top. As you can see, I come here to create design. If I come here and create new design here, so I click on it. So after this, I have to choose which kind of design I want to be creating, and I need to choose also I type logo. Because I want to be creating logo also, I click logo. I can choose whether I create animated logo. We shall be talking about this in the next video, but it is now start by this logo. So we click on this first one, and after clicking on this first one, you can go to, yes, wait it to get opened, and you see they are bringing us various templates, and they bring this image that we are going to be using to create our logo. And as you see, those are various images and other we can use. So now, as you can see, there are some more are premium. So now, as they say, as a Canva Pro subscriber, you get this premium template for free. So because I have subscribed to this account, I can get this template for free. But also, I'm not going to be using this. Let me first delete this and go back and show you. So as you see, those are now those are like templates that you can be using. What you need to know first is to know which kind of logo you want to be creating. Do you want to be creating uh, food related logo? What kind of logo? For example, let me click on this. If I click on this logo, I can get various formations. And if you see, if I put this one, I can be getting various kind of logos which are in this. And if I click on this, you can see I get also how I can be editing the information from this. But if I don't want this one also, I can go back. For example, you see on this sidebar, I have an option which is called logos. If I have this, let me click on it. And as you see, I don't have any logo which is uploaded here, which means because I don't have anyone which is uploaded here, I can be creating it from the templates. So now let me go back and also start from the templates. For example, let me choose another one that I can be editing. For example, let me choose branded logo, which is not name. So if it is a branded, also there's going to be having some more information which are like branding, certain information. For example, let me choose this one, which is Imberio. As you can see, suppose that now this is going to be the logo of the school, maybe I don't know which kind of school which may be having this kind of logo, but it may depends on which logo you want to create. So for example, if I come here, maybe have um, the school is called also best performance college. Yes, this is like a school name that I'm going to be creating logo for. It's an example. Then if it is best performance college now, after this you can see I have premium brand, and I can be also deleting this if I don't want this. Now I move this up. If I don't want this even, I can remove this. So now I can scroll this down. And I can remove this if I don't want this. Yes, I remove this because I want to be making the one which is also for my screen. So after this, I make sure that this text is in its best place. Yes. Now what I can do here is that is my school if this school is being represented by R can be using R. If not R, I can be using also B, maybe because best performance. So I can change this color. I click here and come here to colors. I can put this color. If I change or you see everywhere it is going to be changed. Now as you see this also I can be changing this color if I don't feel that this may be the best one. For example, if I click here, let me add this. If I change everywhere, you can see this logo is going to be changing everywhere. And as you can see, this is the logo of my school, but maybe I want to add something like notebooks, like books. Then we come to elements, then I search for books. If I click on books, I'm going to be getting a certain number of books that I can be choosing the one which is best there, which is going to fit this logo, and I put it there. So let me search for it. Books. So I have to wait for the internet to load this. And for example, I have these books. I can be scrolling this and choose, for example, let me put this animated, but there's going to be fixed ones. Yes, for example, I see it is animated. Let me put this one. I can add this one. For example, I can add it here. So if I want my logo to be looking like this, I can add it here, or I can even add it here. So depending on where I want to be adding this. And as you see, it will be having book in its logo, and at the top of B, it will be having this kind of book. So now after this, you can be also getting this logo, and what you have to do after this, you need to click here because I want to download my logo, and I download it. I go here now. Now what I need to do, I click PG or PNG depending on which type of file I want to be having this logo to. Now I download this. So after downloading this, you see it is in now background of black. So I'll be having this logo in the black background, and I can also click here to open my logo and see how it will be looking like after it has been already created. Yes, I waited to open and I see now how it is going to be looking like. So as you see now, this is my logo, and as you see, I can be using this also for maybe for business, maybe for school, maybe for representing the company. It all depends on which kind of logo you have created and which information you have created. You may be also required to add a mission of the school, mission of the company, mission of the business. It all depends on which one you want to use. What you need to keep in mind is that you make sure that you put all the required information to the logo so that you don't miss the information, or you don't add the information and forget the information which are required to help you create that logo which is going to be good or present, so to be presentable for your business. As you see, now if I have this logo and I can be having this background, I can be able to remove this background and also see that I will be having my own logo, and I can be able to make a stamp which is also representing this logo, and I can be using this logo everywhere. What you need to do, you need to first make sure that you follow all the steps mentioned in this video. You go to open canvas. Once you reach the home page, also you have to search for the logo. Now after you have got the logo, now you go down. After going down also, you can select now if it is logo. Now you go to templates, then you choose template, which one you think can be helping you to create the logo. With your free Canva account, then start creating your logo by the information you have prepared. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at Nomax TV.